I am seriously crushing on you and need you to know this. I am ready to tell you that I am crazy about you and whatever you say does not matter right now. All that is important is that I like you and want you to know I find myself back in love with you every moment. Your passion has gradually become a solid reason to live another day. I love you know one else can bring out the best of me as you do. Thank you for making me a better person. Wishing you a good morning, my love. The day you become mine, I started believing in heaven on earth. Thank you for teaching me how to appreciate life. Good morning, dear. If you ask me to make a last wish, I would be to go on like this, holding your hands in mine till my last breath. Honey, would you like to spend your vacation in Dubai? Message me so I can process your traveling documents for you.